pretty good.
It's healthy. Oh, do you? You need some young blood. It's time to get move bikes around. Yeah. Yeah, I can imagine that'd be a lot of heavy lifting here. No!
Box. There's just a bolt up here. You track it, you undo it, pull that off, leave it all there, and you take that off and put your seals out, and you want to what you can have done. Brake shoes and the hub that we
Yes, good work. Beauty.
Did it leave a thread in there or not?
No, it's completely out.
Good.
Nice one.
And might as well try the other side.
Yes.
Let's have a go. Oh, bugger. Awesome.
Alright guys, we've successfully taken the badges off on both sides, which is awesome. It's in pretty good condition underneath. And I don't know, I sort of like the look of the tank without a badge. What do you guys reckon? Next up, I'm going to take the handlebars off and I'm going to fit on the front indicators, which I have here. So this just goes, I need to take this off, take this off, take this off to remove this part. I've been dreading this one, but it's good that I've got a workshop now, so wish me luck. I can take it off, Gareth. I don't think we need a mallet.
Correcto mundo, That'll just snip up beautifully. And
Lovely.
you decide wherever it is.
Yes.
So with this, you might want to clean it up.
I'll do that before, yeah.
Alright, well, you know they fit.
Yep, awesome, thank you. It's good. Progress. Look at that. That's much nicer. I think maybe I'll move the lights a little bit lower so they're in line with the tank. But that's lovely. Really happy with that. So nice and clean. I'll need to reposition the lights. Right now the lights aren't working. I need to wire up a resistor just because this bike is originally wired up for incandescent lights, and when you wire up LED lights, there's too much resistance going on, so they're both blinking at the same time. But I picked up a little resistor kit. It was literally like $8, and it came in a little coin bag. But real simple stuff. So where is it? Yeah, it came in a little coin bag. That's somewhere around here. So the LEDs aren't working. I've been messing around with them for like, honestly, 3 or 4 months. And I just can't seem to get them working. So I'm just buying the bullet for now. I just bought 4 cheap incandescent ones, and they should just bolt straight into it. Hopefully that'll work. I've got 1 hour before I need to go to work, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. Alright guys, so I think I've dialed everything down to what I think looks best on this bike. So these are the new headlamp brackets, and as you can see I dropped them as low as I can just to keep that headlight in level with the tank, so now we have like a really nice clean straight line. I'm not sure if I put them too low because there is a lot of space here now, but I kind of like it. The only thing that I'm not too sure about is now that there's a massive gap here. So what I'm thinking, and I'm not sure if this is a silly idea or not, but the speedo and the tachometer are connected here, and you just undo this bolt. I was thinking I could take this off and mount it underneath, so that's going to drop it by around this much, just to drop it down a little bit. I think that might look quite good. It'll make everything here a lot more flush, and as you're sitting, it's really going to sink it down a bit more. I might try that next time. It was a bit of a hassle dropping this headlight down and then having to try to get all the wires inside the headlight bracket, because it's quite tight now. But overall, guys, I think I like the look of it. It's quite smart. I swear, those LED lights that I had previously, I've been messing around with them for like around 4 months. And I just had so many issues. And with these incandescent globes, or incandescent indicators, it took me maybe 20 minutes to do the front and then another 20 minutes to do the back. Just so much easier. And I don't think they look too bad. They look quite nice actually. So I'm quite happy with that. Something else that we managed to do was we removed the Kawasaki badge from the tank. And honestly, I think I prefer it. I quite like the tank without the badge. Obviously I'll repaint it, but what do you guys think? Do you like the tank with or without the badge? I kind of like how minimal it is. So that's it for today, guys. I'm pretty happy with all these changes so far. Normally when I work on the bike, it breaks down. So to be able to get these off without a hitch and to be able to finally change these out, I'm very happy with the result. Cool, that's it for today, guys. I've got a few more projects to work on with this bike, but I'll save that for another day. Peace.